Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today let's explore how to create this dotted portrait and this halftone, semitone, lino, and corduroy effects with the portrait. And this magic is done with the help of Canva. So, first and the foremost, we need to go to Canva, open a new blank template, and then go to elements and choose a portrait photo. Remove the background and then now enlarge the image to fit the frame. After doing this, go to app and then choose, or you can search for screen app. The first option is screen app. Click on it. Now you will have four options with you. One is half tone, second is semitone, third one is lino, and the fourth one is corduroy. And you have the options also to increase or reduce the half tone amount and half tone scaling and lino amount as well as lino scaling. So you can check one by one, and the final outcome will be like this. Just let us check how this is. Here it is. I did actually try with a male portrait also and also a female portrait. Isn't it magic? And I think you loved it. If you loved it, click the button like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for watching.